right, today is another one of our most special occasions that we take the utmost pride in. Recognizing drivers that go above and beyond for a long time in a safe manner. And today, Milissa is going to get her Million Mile of Safe Driving Award with Christenson Transportation. And I always do the math thing and say that's 40 times around the world. Most people find it hard to go about 40 miles with getting into something, and she's done 1 million, and we want to say thanks for all you do. We truly appreciate it, and we wouldn't be where the trucker's truck, and safety takes priority without people like you. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Barry. I really appreciate it. I wouldn't be here as long if I didn't love it. If I didn't love it here. So I know turnover rate is really high in the trucking industry, and that's one thing that I don't have to worry about here.
Perfect. Everybody give her a big hand.
Thank you. Thank you, Barry. Appreciate it.